Hey cousins, welcome back to our series on Imposter Syndrome. I'm Kai from Created for Purpose, and today we're diving into cognitive distortions that contribute to imposter syndrome. Cognitive distortions are irrational thought patterns that can make you doubt your abilities and achievements. One common distortion is all or nothing thinking. This is when you see things in black and white terms. If something isn't perfect, it's a total failure. This kind of thinking can lead to unrealistic expectations and constant self-criticism. Another common distortion is discounting the positive. This is when you downplay your accomplishments or attribute them to luck or external factors rather than recognizing your skills and effort. For example, you might think, I only got that promotion because they were desperate, rather than acknowledging your hard work and qualifications. Mind reading is another cognitive distortion where you assume you know what others are thinking. You might believe that your colleagues think you're incompetent, even though there's no evidence to support this. This can fuel feelings of inadequacy and anxiety. To combat these cognitive distortions, it's important to challenge and reframe your thoughts. When you catch yourself thinking in all or nothing terms, remind yourself that there's a middle ground. Recognize that most situations are not purely black or white. When you find yourself discounting the positive, make a conscious effort to acknowledge your achievements. Keep a journal of your successes and revisit it when you're feeling doubtful. This can help you see the tangible evidence of your abilities. And when you catch yourself mind reading, remind yourself that you cannot truly know what others are thinking. Focus on the facts and avoid making assumptions. By recognizing and challenging these cognitive distortions, you can start to change the way you think about yourself and your accomplishments. Share in the comments if you've noticed any of these thought patterns in yourself and how you've dealt with them. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for a free download on imposter syndrome. It's packed with helpful strategies and resources. See you tomorrow for more insights.